Kiganda giki gĩa guthondeka software gitanyitwo kuguna aruti wira matanyihiire 100,000 thĩinĩ wa kaunti ya Bomet hamwe na matura maria marigicĩirie. Thirikari nene kuhitukira ministry ya ukinyaniria niwe hurite njeki kiganda giki na matanya mao ni kuhukia wikinae uria ukoretwo githie na mbere nenda-ini.
On completion, these flagship programs will build up on gains the government has already achieved and which are already contributing to fostering digital economy.
Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria kiganda giki, Minister wa ukinyaniria na ICT Jo Mucheru augite kaunti ino iri na ataramu aingi mohigiriire uthondeki-ini wa mitambo ino giki ari kimwe gia itumi iria icungiriirie kiganda giki gwakwo mwena uyu.
Over the last 10 years, my ministry has overseen development and implementation of the following key programs which have significantly transformed Kenya's ICT sector. 1, on broadband connectivity program, we have deployed over 900 kilometers of fiber optic backbone infrastructure across the country.
Murugamiriri munene wa ihinda bodi-ini ya ukinyaniria Kiprono augite muigana wa ciringi bilioni 100 nicio ikuhuthika hari gukinyaniria waki wa iganda cia guthondeka mitambo ya kiiriu kaunti-ini ino.
When we ask for software engineers here, we will not be asking for people who didn't finish school. Please, now we have come up with a factory here, and the first question is, are you a graduate or of a university or of a college? Because the world is looking for you.
Be something that is beyond Kenya, something that belongs and will be used by the entire continent of Africa.
Kiprono augite ministry ya ukinyaniria nirarutithania wira na kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka IEBC niguo gutigirira githurano nigiatafanio gutari na kihingisha o giothe.
We are aware last time you wanted to hack education system and you were in Sotik and some were in Mulot. There were two groups, one was in Sotik, another one was in Mulot here. And we could see you. Please refrain from such habit. And we have brought a factory so that you can use your skills and knowledge, so that you not only compete with Kenyans and be hackers and also the world, but
ona kuri uguo mbeu njithi mwana uyu ni moritio kuiga thayu na gwithema kuhunjia ndeto itari na uigiririki nenda-ini cia ukinyaniria kuona honge cia ugitiri iri maitho. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.